Hey guys, it's Andrew from Apex Trades. Been away for a little while, had a little break. Haven't traded for about maybe up to a week and a half actually when I think about it. I'm back here. I'm going to have a go at another eval today. I have a little bit of an ambition. We're going on holiday in July. So, can I get an eval passed, convert it to a PA, and then can I take that PA to get me some spends moolah cash? That is the dream, right? What I'm not going to do is spend loads on evals. We are going to stick to the strategy that I usually employ for evals, although when it comes to the PAs I'm going to change it up slightly and go back to what I used to do, which is trading the exhaustive zones on VWAP and standard deviations. But for now, let's dive in. Okay, over on the charts, you can see I have just this single eval. It's a 50k eval. I've got my full port bracket strategy set, which for $1,000 a pop looks around that. So get in there, get out there. That's the distance that I need to be able to come by. So with a lot of these things, I don't think it's any use putting too much emphasis on TA, especially while we're not in New York. We're in London at the moment. Asia's closed. We do have the Asia and the range sessions, but we don't have them on this platform, only on TradingView, so I'm not going to be too fussed about that at the moment. I think we're probably going to come down and touch VWAP, so I'm going to try and get a short in. Let's see there. Let me just see. Let's just wait. I think it's 25 ticks we're looking for. What I'm thinking is this is that little bit of a support shelf here. I'm hoping that acts as a bit of support. We get filled, we come back up here, get knocked back by this bit of resistance, and then we can look for a short. But right now I think I'm hoping we come down, tag us in, and then looks like we're going to get filled. Yeah, okay, so we're filled. So watching here now. Had to work for that one, fellas. We had to work for that one. 1250. I think my numbers are a little bit too high in terms of the settings. Let me just double check. So exit strategies, full port, 25. So that needs to be, I got 21, right? Because I need a little bit to give me some buffer. But that's nice anyway. So we should just, actually, we probably should be able to do that on 20 ticks now, because that $250 will probably account for commission and fees anyway. But anyway, that's a better spot. So we've got our first trade in. I'll just hit pause and then I'll wait and see if we can come back with something else. All right, so I'm thinking of going back in on a buy. Oh, one contract, two contracts, three contracts. Fill. Okay, we're in. Closed it. I'll tell you why I've closed it, because I still think, let's see. Oh, you fucker. Didn't get to 2k. Never mind. Oh. It's alright, it's okay. We're still in business. I just don't know what the drawdown is. That's the only issue. But actually, if this continues down here, it was a really good call, because I don't think, well, that didn't close, right? That's the highest point it got, and I closed, I don't quite know, somewhere around here. So if this continues down, the theoretical, well, almost guaranteed, we're probably going to be in a bit of a worrisome moment right now. Okay, we're in. Okay, so where does that put us now? So now we've only got 810 to go. Would have got that all the way, to be fair. One more trade. I'm feeling like short is the right way here. Okay, fellas, let's hope we get this done. Fuck's sake. Okay, loaded up a second eval. That was a frustrating one. We were very close. But no cigar. Let's see if we can get that 1 and 2. This will be my last one today, actually, to be honest. We are getting a bit of movement. I suppose that's a good thing. I'm not going to dwell on it too much. 10. We want full port. And we're going to go short. Not from there, though. There. Okay, we're in. Took off 1 contract, 2 contracts, 3 contracts, 4 contracts. There you go. So that's out. Right, so we're first trade in. We're in on the second one. One contract out. There you go. The second one, trade done. Okay, so we've got one more trade to go. Gone in at a bid, sorry to ask. I'm just looking at how it's forming at the moment. I'll take it. 1 and 2. That's roughly about my pass rates, to be fair. I've done 2 and 6 last week, though that was 1 and 3. But that's all right. One will do me. I don't want to go too nuts. And that second eval felt much easier. And do you know what I think that was? Because a lot more volatility came into the market. 12 o'clock is usually kill zone for New York. Lunchtime for London, you know, start of futures for New York, and obviously a lot more volume came into the market. So maybe what I should be doing is focusing more on when it's more volatile, because I think even last week when I done the ones during Asia, the ones where I had 2 out of 6, I'd pretty much done all of them during really low volatility, and I think the strike rate's just harder. So maybe a little bit of a learning lesson, but that's good anyway, because now I can convert that to a PA, and then from there we can try to get some spends for our holidays. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.